All right, you found the quick review solving equations, and I chose one with some interest. We're going to distribute first off and get a negative 6n, negative 2 times a negative 5, positive 10, right? We still have the 4 equals n minus 12. Hey, I'm going to add a negative n to both sides, so that's going to give me a negative 7n on the left. I'm going to add a negative 14 to the other side, and that's going to give me a negative 26. Hopefully you agree. Now all we got to do is move that negative 7 by dividing that side by negative 7. Hey, we don't want to leave it negative over negative, n equals 26 sevenths. Algebra 2 shouldn't be a problem. Remember, distribute where you need to, get all your variables on one side, things added, move by adding their opposite, things multiplied, multiplying by the reciprocal, or you can divide. Okay, how about a literal equation? Do you remember what equation this is? Capital A should be, hopefully you're thinking area, and this is area of a what? Area of a what? I hope you're thinking of a trapezoid, area of a trapezoid. And so B1, B sub 1, and B sub 2 are base 1 and base 2. That's always the parallel sides of the trapezoid, right? And of course, you're looking right down here, right? Notice the parallel sides are always base 1 and base 2. And then H is the altitude, the perpendicular distance between those two parallel bases. Half is part of the formula. And again, if you look at pre-algebra, the regular lesson, you'll get a full explanation of that. Okay, let's solve this equation. So look, always know what you're solving for. Man, I got to get to this B sub 2. I got to move everything else. Now, this is a unique situation. Look what we got here. We have a half times this quantity, then times the H. Well, I can easily move those things then. Look, the H is in the top on the right. It goes on the bottom on the left. That's simple, right? Because I'm technically dividing both sides by H. And what about the half? Well, what if I multiply both sides by 2? That will get rid of the half. So look where I'm at right now. 2a over h equals b sub 1 plus b sub 2. What am I solving for? B sub 2, what do? Add the opposite of b sub 1 to both sides. Add a negative b sub 1 to both sides. Hey, voila! We're there. Look, literal equations. Don't freak out on them. Just treat the variables the same way you would numbers. Move them the same way. Isolate your variable, and there you go. All right, that's it.